move forward in that direction?
Well, that's what the whole budget speech was about. So you have to go through the whole thing. That's the whole idea. We start off with a goal and an idea in our mind. And that goal is that we need to double our income, our GSDP. Now, we base that on the projected growth that we saw in the last financial year. And we saw that that kind of a growth, because of pandemic, we saw the growth being hampered a bit. But if you were to minus those pandemic years, we saw the rest of the years giving us that kind of growth rate. So if we looked at, if that's the growth rate which we were able to move forward, we could clearly see that we are able to achieve that goal of doubling our economy. It's a very, very steep target, but it is our duty to ensure that we don't put easy targets. We need to work hard. So yes, it's a very, very tough target, but if we focus and we work well, I'm sure we can achieve it. That's number one. Number two, we saw that in the last 5 years, that when we invested strongly in capital and infrastructure investments, we saw that it was giving us a lot of returns and a lot of benefits. And hence, if you have seen in the overall expenditure that we're doing, there's a lot of expenditure being done in the capital investment. So with that, we will see that it's going to add towards the GSDP, which I just mentioned. We also realize that we need to push the primary sector, and that's why in the primary sector you can see that huge investments are being made. We also realize that there needs to be a huge investment from the private sector also. So therefore, a lot of stress is being put on different kind of PPP projects. We have stress on the IT parks that are coming up. We are also working towards ensuring that larger processing units come up. So these are all areas in which we're going to push. We have got a specific budget for the farmers. So all these aspects will add to that. So everything that's put in the budget is helping us to move towards that goal of achieving an 80,000 crore economy.
So can you